Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be talking about merging data frame in Pandas. We're going to be going over different methods of merging data frame, such as the concat method and the merge method. Guys, before going further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more coding and programming videos. Okay guys, without further ado, let's go. The first method which we are going to be going over is the concat method. This method is really easy. One of the easiest methods of merging data frame or combining data frame. Okay, first let's give our heading. First method is concat method. Okay, first we have to import our pandas. First thing first, speedy, so we can create our data frame. Then we first of all create our first data frame. So pd dot data frame. Then we're just going to create random numbers 1, 4, 5, and 3. Okay, our data frame should be a nested dictionary. Okay. So create a random value again, 6 and 7. Okay, that should be enough. Let's see our data frame which we created, df1. When I run this now, it is our data frame containing just 2 columns and 4 rows. Okay, let me create our second data frame which we are going to mesh together. Okay. This will also be a nested dictionary. Let's create, this should be multiples of 10. 15. Okay. Okay, we're also going to give a random value, 40, 60, 70, and 90. Okay, let's create a new data frame which should be the combined data frame of data frame 1 and data frame 2. To combine this data frame, you simply call pandas.concat. Very easy. Just place your data frame which you want to concatenate into a list. Concatenate data frame 1 and data frame 2. Okay, that's all what you need. When you want this now, oh, I have not created my data frame 2 yet. Okay, when I want this now, when I call my data frame 3, you can see here, this is our combined data frame. The first part is for data frame 1 and the second part is for data frame 2. Well, you will notice something here, that a problem with our indexing started from 0 to 3, and from 0 to 3 again. We don't really want this. We want it to be from 0 to maybe 8 or 9. Okay, let me do this now. What we have to do, we just have to include another parameter called ignore index. We set it to true. When I want this now, you can see here our index has been resetted. Well, what we have been doing since, we have been concatenating along the column axis, which is axis 0. Well, you can also concatenate along the row axis. Let me demonstrate what I'm trying to say. Let me store this in data frame 4. I'll call our normal pd dot concat. Place our list, data frame 1, data frame 2. I want it to ignore the index. I want to set it to true. And by default, this our axis is set to the column axis, which is axis 0. But now I want to concatenate along the row axis, so I want to place it to index 1. Okay. When I want this now, let me call my data frame 4 now. See, okay, you can see here our data frame has been concatenated along the row axis. So that's how you concatenate data frame using the concat method. The other method which we are going to be going through is the merge method. This merge method is really easy. Okay, I just have to second method, which is merge method. Okay, the merge method. It's really easy. All you just have to do is to call your merge. To do this, you just want to start in DataFrame 5. To create a new DataFrame 5. Just call our df1. Want to merge our df2 to our df1. What's a df1.merge? Replace our DataFrame which we want to merge together. df2. We want to merge to df2. Then we call one other very important parameter called how. This will specify how we want to merge our data frame. You can merge it to the right, left, or outer or inner, but the most important method is the outer. We have to use the outer. Okay, we want to call our data frame 5 now. You can see here we obtain same data frame as the data frame we would have obtained when we use our concat method when merging along the column axis. Okay, if I change this our outer to right, if I change it to right and we print out our data frame again, we would have seen here it would have just given us the right part of our merge, which is this data frame 2, which is this one here. Look at it here, which is this our data frame 2 here. We are just giving us the right part of our merge. If we have also converted this one to left, very easy. It will give us the left part of our merge, which is data frame 1. Place the how to left, it will give you the left part, which is data frame 1. Place it to right, it will give you the right part, which is this data frame 2. So that's how you merge using the merge method. Well, just convert it to our former one, which is outer, which is more preferable. Merge along the column. I want this now. You can see here. Okay. So that's how you use the merge and the concat method in Pandas. Okay, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more coding and programming videos.